Okay, let's do 5 minutes at 180 literary. Ready? Very few students like to do homework, and everyone seems to put it off. After all, why start your work now when you can watch another episode of Arrested Development? Usually, the problem isn't an unwillingness to do the homework at all. After all, you did search for this article. The problem most of the time is finding the motivation and start. Now, it's time to get over your procrastination and be motivated to study. Plan ahead to have free time after school. If you have a study period, do as much of your homework then as possible. The more you do while you are at school, the less you will need to do at home. Try to do all of it in class if time is provided, at lunch or any other spare time you might have. This way you may also get help while at school if you don't understand. Ask your teachers while they are available. They're there to assist you. Let them help you. Put the hardest classes' homework at the top of your list. Why? Well, this allows you to kick it up a notch. You can start, move on, then continue rethinking it, and then going back to it to do more. So you won't get too bogged down, but it will have priority for the subconscious mind to work on it. See, you don't have to get stuck in that problem. That might take all of your time. Do a quick effort, make it a worthwhile try, then go onward to less demanding homework. Later, going back and seeing how you can improve the first one with fresh bits and pieces. Opened secret back channels. Just starting, even if you have to come back to finish, gets your creativity to kick in. This gets dark recesses of your mind to really work for you. Creative juices can be inspiring, refreshing, helpful. Break it down. Make piecework. Quickly overview the topic. Scan. Read headings. Intro, maps, charts, pictures, captions, bold or italic lettering, footnotes, chapter summary to get ideas and perspectives, angles for ideas to start yourself thinking. Begin your answer to each problem and essay question by doing parts. How? Make a first sentence or step. Do any logical little bits. Go step by step. Add a second thought or step and another, each flowing from the previous one. Going one phrase or sentence at a time makes it possible to write or to do something. Skip some lines to leave room to fill in later if you need to move on to another area. To kick-start an answer. Read what you have already written or have done to check it and see what flows from there to lead your thinking to your next thought, step, and so on. Set goals and rewards. Once you've completed your goal and finished your homework, reward yourself with some little thing that you would find enjoyable and doable after you finish. Don't use food as treats as reward, though. Eating could lead to health and weight problems later, unless it's a free snack, small salad or 2 crackers, 3 or 4 almonds, other nuts, 1 bite of meat, or a cup of tea. Save a special book to read when homework is done, or make plans to talk with a friend on the phone as soon as both of you have completed your assignments. Go on to your favorite website or even dedicate yourself to a great project you've always been wanting to do. Take advantage of any holidays or vacations that may be coming near as a motivator. On a Thursday, remind yourself that it is almost the weekend. And the moment this homework assignment is done, you'll be one moment closer. Remember that Thanksgiving, winter break, or summer break is nearing, and the moment your homework is done, you can enjoy it to its fullest. The surest way to get over procrastination is to take care of a task as soon as you think of it. Don't delay and tell yourself you'll do it later. Think of it this way. If you procrastinate, you're spending time worrying about the task in addition to the time you actually do it. If you just take action and complete it as soon as you think of it, then you'll have more time to relax. Work smarter, not harder. A fried brain absorbs little information. Break up your homework time into chunks. Take regular breaks. Set a timer. Take a 5 to 10 minute break for each hour you study. Get up, stretch, and move around. Drink water and eat a little fruit. Water will refresh your system, and half an apple provides better effect than a sugary energy drink. Think of the consequences. What will happen if you don't do your homework? Will you get a bad grade? Will your teacher be disappointed in you? If none of these things seems to apply to you, remember that homework is to help you learn, which everyone ultimately wants. In the real world, knowledge helps you master the rules of the game. Think of the benefits. What will happen if you do your homework? You'll get a good grade, your teacher will appreciate your efforts, you'd have learned a great deal, and you'd be paving your way for a better life simply by putting your pencil to paper. Okay,